If you want to change SIM card PIN code on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case we want to open settings, scroll down a little bit in order to find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then over here we're gonna open privacy, and you should be able to find the more security settings at the bottom over here. Now at the top we can choose the SIM for which we want to change the PIN code. So let's go ahead and choose the SIM. We need to actually enable the SIM lock option. We need to enter the current PIN code and press OK. This is of course the PIN code for the SIM card that you selected. And once the lock is on, we have the change SIM PIN option. So once again, we need to enter the old code, the old PIN code, of course, press OK. And then we need to enter the new one that we want to use for our SIM card, and we need to enter it twice to confirm. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.